So here's the gist of what's going on. We pulled the blue top. All I did was throw a new clutch on it. eBay, of course, 6-puck sprung, pressure plate clutch, and then left the stock flywheel. Reusing my manifold, cast iron top mount, JDM Sport, tile 38mm wastegate, stovepipe wastegate dump. Got another fresh China charger. You can see how rust-free this thing is, and oil kit, all that. Turbo was $130. Feed and return kit were $20 each, and then the 5-bolt to 3-inch V-band was $50. So a little over $200, all said and done. Haven't figured out the air filter situation yet. Started it a few times. First start with no turbo, checking the oil pressure. Oil pressure is just fine. Fuel pressure gauge, although this one's broken, I gotta get a new gauge on there. B-series throttle body, forgot to mention that. Or maybe not B-series, I'm not sure. It's not a D-series throttle body, it's just something I had laying around. But it has the, well, like this is reversed, so it's not, the way the cable's pulling on that is definitely not optimal, but it'll work. Got a little sneak peek right here. I'm not going to say much, but you guys should know what it means when you're cutting notches into a D-series block. So, yeah, that'll be what's going in here. So this is more of just like just testing out the setup, really, because I'm going to be using the same exact turbo setup and everything, because it's, you know, same engine, Y8 and all that. Really, it'll look exactly the same too, except for like big injectors and small things like that. So size-wise, yeah, this is good. Able to clean everything up. Everything fits good. Nothing's touching. So we got the turbo here coming right off into the intercooler. You can see the oil line. It does a 45 forward to clear the manifold in the turbo there. There's a into the intercooler. I also reused the stock windshield washer system and set it up to be an intercooler sprayer. And yes, no blow-off valve for now. I already had that in the other video. It's relocated overflow. Brand new AEM wideband and sensor there. Here's the drain angle. So it's pretty good. Flows oil good. Oh yeah, probably one of the most important things. Got the Blocks Racing Drag Series coilovers. Only have the fronts on right now. I gotta put the backs on. I'm just waiting on lower control arms to come in, because I figured just do it all at once, because I also have a subframe brace and it'll all just slap on real easy if I got it all to go at once. Yeah, so about to turn it on and roll it on out of here. Yeah, we're all good. So, it's running good. No leaks. It's good. So this needs the rear suspension still. Need tires for the back. I'm going to swap my R888s onto the fronts here. Got the bumper right here. I just test fitted it. It still fits good because the intercooler's in basically the same exact spot. I got the fenders sitting, but I don't really, I'm going to mock them up in a second here, but with how wide and low the car is going to be, I'm definitely going to have to roll the fenders out. And I mean, you just see like right where the headlight line is, I'm almost an inch off just with these tires, let alone the R888s. And I don't really want to roll out and bend up my nice, you know, the stock green fenders. So I'm going to get another pair of just primered or whatever fenders, paint them black and roll them out, not care about them. Same with a hood. I don't want to cut a hole into the stock hood for the turbo exit, so I'm actually going to rock no hood for a little bit while I'm looking for a hood. So this is just kind of what's been going on. Just been fiddling with the black car, taking a lot longer than I thought to sort that out. And you know, spring came on quick, and I was like, well, need something to drive right now, so pull the motor out of my brother's crashed car I got from him and just toss it in here. So hopefully have this on the road in a few days, and yeah, we'll get some pulls. A stock D16Y8 should be good.